For business owners, founders, and professionals, this threat cuts deeper than money. I will expose you and destroy your business. Blackmailers know that your reputation is not just personal. It is your income, your employees' livelihoods, and years of work. This is entrepreneur blackmail, a form of extortion that involves criminals targeting business reputation to force compliance. Professionals and business leaders are common targets because they often have public-facing roles and visible professional identities. Criminals know that reputational pressure can be more powerful than financial threats, especially when careers, clients, or stakeholders are involved. If you are worried that one threat could undo everything you have built, that fear is understandable. This video explains how this tactic works, why it is effective, and how to respond without making the situation worse. Turning personal exposure into corporate risk. Blackmailers blur the line between your private life and your professional identity. They may threaten to send explicit material, private messages, or false accusations to clients, investors, partners, or employees. This works because businesses rely on trust. Criminals know that even unverified allegations can trigger reputational harm, especially in competitive or public-facing industries. In many cases, the blackmailer does not need proof of wrongdoing. The threat of exposure is enough to create panic and rush decisions. Regardless of whether the blackmailer possesses the leverage that they claim, these threats should be handled seriously. Entrepreneur blackmail often targets founders, executives, consultants, and small business owners with visible online profiles. How businesses are targeted. Blackmailers commonly escalate using these methods, threatening to contact clients, vendors, or investors directly, referencing your company website or LinkedIn profile to appear credible, implying regulatory or legal consequences, even when false, using deadlines, such as pay before tomorrow's meeting, claiming they will post content publicly on social media or review platforms. These tactics are designed to force fast compliance before you can seek advice. Professional fallout from personal decisions. Reputation-driven blackmail creates intense psychological pressure. Business owners report anxiety, impaired decision-making, and fear of public humiliation. Reputational harm can drive customers, clients, or partners away, which can lead to lost contracts, employee attrition, and long-term revenue decline, even when allegations are untrue or unverified. From a practical standpoint, paying or complying rarely ends the threat. Once a criminal knows your business reputation is effective leverage, they often return with higher demands or additional threats. Some victims report repeated extortion attempts months later, often tied to new professional milestones. The danger is not only exposure, it is ongoing control. Protect your business and yourself. If a blackmailer threatens your business reputation, take these steps immediately. Do not comply out of fear. Compliance confirms the value of your reputation as leverage. Preserve all evidence. Save messages, threats, usernames, payment demands, and timestamps. Avoid blocking the blackmailer right away. Blocking can trigger retaliation or public posting. Limit professional exposure. Review privacy settings on LinkedIn, company websites, and public profiles. Separate personal and business accounts. Reduce cross-linking that criminals can exploit. Report the crime. File a report with the platform you were contacted on. You should also notify your local and national law enforcement and consumer protection agencies. Consider specialized cybersecurity professionals. Private firms experienced in extortion response and business reputation protection can help manage exposure, preserve evidence, and reduce escalation risk. Early action can help you prevent long-term damage. Your reputation is worth defending the right way. When blackmailers threaten your business, they are exploiting fear, not facts. One threat does not define your company, and panic-driven compliance often makes things worse. The strongest response is preserving evidence, limiting exposure, and getting expert help before the situation escalates. If you ever fall victim to entrepreneur blackmail or threats against your business reputation, you can count on the team at Blackmail.HelpLine. Our team helps a wide range of clients, including businesses and individual victims. With this experience, we understand both sides of this thread and can handle your case with professionalism and empathy. Blackmail is emotionally devastating, and the ramifications are only amplified when they can impact your employees and client base. However, you can move past this, and you don't need to do it alone. Call 888-634-1535 or visit Blackmail.HelpLine.com for a confidential consultation with one of our specialists. Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at Blackmail.HelpLine.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.